How do you...
And baby.
How?
Andrew. Answer na.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Trix. What's this?
This is the sedan.
Sedan.
Which I also like.
Sedan. Okay.
Pero if ever,
Why do you like
what's
it?
the ride of this?
Actually, it's similar lang naman.
Similar
The
lang,
model
just
lang.
lower lang.
Lower ano lang siya. I'm sorry, meron ka lang yung license mo if you want to drive too.
Yes. Okay.
Do you have chargers in the showroom as well? Or it's on the top?
Meron po yung customer, kaya ito po is before mga impacting ng services.
Service units.
Insurance you're talking with.
So for customers, up.
Sige, sino po mauli mag-drive?
You.
Me first? Okay, me first.
Sige po. Ito na lang po si driver side. And then, ma'am,
How do you open this? Like,
tama po.
Ganun.
and then?
Yes.
Parang push mo lang. Then,
And
para
then-
siyang
But
handle.
if you have small hands, paano?
Hindi, kaya naman. Finger lang eh. Finger lang.
Okay.
Sige po.
Yung black interior. Madumihin.
Oh, it's cold.
Malamig.
It's cold.
Malamig ah. Pamakas na.
Let me turn this off.
Naka-set po kasi siya na...
Does it illuminate, diba yung drive dito?
Galing ah.
Yes, pero sir, it will be on the screen for now. You'll
Okay.
need to use this one kapag po, kunwari, something wrong happened with your
Yeah.
screen.
That's
This
the
is
only time you could use it.
You can still use it
You can still use
whenever you wanted po. Pero sana, dito na lang sa
Yan,
screen.
babe. Reverse.
Mm-hmm.
So it's...
Release mo na yung
Sa-
foot, sir.
Okay.
Para hindi yan. Okay,
So,
ano dyan,
these are the sides.
This is the back.
No front.
No, here's the front.
Meron. Pero sa sedan, there's no front, right?
No front.
Okay. So side lang and back for the
Yes.
sedan.
Yes. Okay. Ma'am, sorry, need mag-seatbelt po.
Seatbelt.
Ito ata naka-seatbelt na siya.
Sa gitna, ma'am. Kasi approximate po 180 millimeters po.
180. And the sedan, what?
125 ata. So, mga 120-ish po.
How many beep the ride, huh?
It's good.
Oh, smooth, huh?
We're going to turn right po. Anytime naman, sir. Actually,
It pops out.
yes, whenever you trigger the signal po, either right or left po, meron po tayong cameras.
Okay. Question.
Yes po.
Di ba like in the States where nagva-vandalize ng car, that's also here,
No.
where they can record?
Ah,
Yung nagre-record ng tao.
Nagre-record?
Kasi
Yes.
pag na-vandalize, magre-record daw yung car.
opo, meron po.
Meron.
Akala ko, sir, yung mga tao nagba-vandal dito.
No.
Parang hindi naman.
Sa States meron eh.
Pero yes po.
Common siya sa States eh. Mga ganit sa Tesla.
Yes,
Binavandalize.
okay lang po kayo dito, sir. Full break lang from here. We're going to move forward kasi pag nag-green light lang po. So, sige po, full break.
That's auto hold na.
Yes, you'd see the hold indicator po. So, kahit po wala na tayong neutral na ginawa sa screen, parang neutral na rin
Yeah.
kasi siya somehow. And kahit po inclined yung position ng car, as long as you set your foot from the full brake po,
It
kita
will.
mo yung hold,
Yeah, this one.
we will
Okay.
not move po. So,
Galing dito.
okay. The suspension.
Okay. Good.
Pero maganda hubs ng BGC eh.
At least ito na yung the best that we can show. But
Pero
how
maganda.
was it?
It was good. Yeah. Good rebound.
Okay, light po tayo. Okay po kayo, sir, sa handling ng steering wheel?
Yeah.
Kasi,
Can you tighten it or?
yes, we can
You
still. Right now, the mode for the steering drive ka lang, sir, ha? The steering weight was set on standard, gitna po. But we can switch it to light if you want to try.
Yeah. I want the lightest.
Okay, this is the lightest po. Sige po, go straight and then dun po sa dulo ka magle-left.
So may IS na tayo para diretso.
Po.
Galing no? Grabe. Ang class na yan. Kasi when you see it in videos, it's different when you see it in
Ay,
person.
actual.
Yeah.
Opo.
How accurate it is.
Sige, diba? Opo. Yan.
And this one's parang 2.4, no? Something
Opo.
like that.
But the 2.4, kaya mong habulin yung green light. We're going to straight po. Sige po, to test the speed. Ito na yung route na yun,
Okay.
sir.
Oh my God!
Grabe, no?
Ang lakas!
Magugulat ka sa EV talaga gano'n.
Yeah.
Kailangan na seatbelt.
Yeah, kailangan seatbelt.
Kaya mong mag-overtake, sir, balik ka sa middle lane.
Gosh, straight.
Ang sarap ng turning yan. Diba?
So smooth.
Sir, ikot po kayo ng left lane talaga ha. And then kindly slow down. Kasi po, we're going to make a U-turn to test the turning radius also.
Wow. Iba yung rear-wheel lang to, babe, ah. Not even long range. Not even dual motor.
That's good enough.
Now press it on.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Oh my God!
Kapit lang ha. When you can, sir, at a high speed, swerve ka ng left or right.
Oh shit!
Diba? How was the stability
very
of the
good.
car? Because, sir, yung design structure din ng car tsaka yung weight niya,
Yeah.
equal po yung harap at likod. So, when you're driving at a high speed, usually sa ibang mga kotse may tendency pwede ka mag-roll over.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
May body roll yung car.
Yes po. With this one, less yung chance kasi po equal yung weight.
Okay.
And then, at the next intersection, we're going to make a U-turn po ulit. Now,
Okay.
we will try the autopilot.
Okay.
However,
Sorry, the
Yes,
range
po.
of this rear wheel is what?
400.
Like realistic range.
Yung range po kasi na 466 and most of the electric vehicles na pinopromote po, realistic naman siya but based on testing procedures. Parang
Okay,
ganun.
yeah,
And
yeah, tama.
pwede
Depends how
mo-
you drive.
Oo, eh.
Depends where you go.
Attainable din naman talaga
Yeah.
siya, sir. So, mag-U-turn kayo, sir,
You turn here or here?
here na po. Bakit hindi siya na?
Hindi siya.
Okay lang po. So, ngayon po, naka-brake ka ba, sir? Hindi naman, no?
Nakagas.
Ah,
Yeah.
Pero brake ka dito, sir.
Okay.
Yan. Okay na pala. Full brake, sir. Okay, drive one more time po. Scenario 2, full brake po. Full brake. So, ganun pa rin po. Pag nag-full brake ka, naka-auto hold, still the car won't move po. Step ahead po, and pasok po tayo dun sa, ano po,
dito.
sa right, sir. Dito lang po. We're going to try parking po sa tabi ng silver.
Okay. Yeah, I saw that on a video. Ang galing ng screen. Like you
Yes.
could tap it. Okay.
Yes.
So what do I do?
Let's say, sir, magpa-park po talaga kayo dito sa tabi. But this is enough. Okay. Nagpakita na kasi, sir, yung box.
This
Oo.
one.
Yan, so, wait
Do
lang,
it.
sir.
Okay.
Pakitama muna yung, paki-center lang yung steering wheel po. Yan, center na ba? Yan. Full brake, sir. Press niyo po ito. And then, start. Medyo alanganin pa yung pag-ano na.
No? Oh. It's cool kasi you can see it.
Yeah.
Other cars you can't see it. It's like I have a Audi.
Okay.
Ganito rin. Pero you can't see. You just see the wala siyang 360 cam or anything.
Parang more than 360 nga.
Yeah,
sir.
kasi may ganun pa eh.
Slowly. And, mas ano pa ito, ma'am?
Accurate talaga, no? There's chargers pala here. There's
Yes.
pala
So,
here.
actually, sir, maluwag naman kami kung wala talagang nakalagay.
Nakalagay.
Magsabi lang kayo sa harap para alam lang namin, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're parked.
That's it. So, for security purposes po, you want to check naka-on ba kayo?
Ayun yung
Yan.
dashcam.
So, you don't need to buy a dashcam
Yeah.
po kasi yung car po may built-in dashcam
Yan,
po.
baby. It
And
has built.
super linaw po nito, ma'am.
Oh, kanina. This was just now, right?
Yes po. Yung driving na
How
po.
long does it record?
How long does it loop? 24
Yes.
hours? Parang ganun?
Yes po, pero depends pa rin po, sir, sa capacity ng yung capacity ng USB. Kasi doon po siya
Where's the
nasisave.
USB? Sorry.
It's in the glove box po.
Okay.
So, yung storage po niya, 128 gigabyte.
Only. So,
And
so
then
you can
loop lang ng
upgrade.
loop. Yes, you can still
Okay.
upgrade po. Then at the same time po, since ito yung camera po ng car for the dash cam, you can also, or this camera also can serve as your surveillance camera. So, paano ko po nasabi yun? Meron po itong tinatawag na sentry mode. Lipat ko lang, sir, ha? Meron tayong tinatawag na sentry mode. So, when it's turned on po, even you leave the car na po, nasa labas na kayo at nagmamall, ay pinark niyo po sa alanganing lugar. You want to access the actual camera angles po. Itong camera angles na to. So, from your phone, you can.
You can.
Yes.
To check.
To
Just
check.
in case
Opo.
something, yeah.
Yes. Scenario 2, sir. I have a client, pinark niya yung car niya po sa mall.
Okay.
Pero nag-update sa kanya yung kotse na parang may nag-attempt mag-open ng door. So, sa mall lang po ito, sir, ha?
Yes.
So, chinek niya po yung clip. Nakita niya po talaga na may lumalapit na.
May tao na.
Pero naman kasi, sir, honest mistake po ata yung nangyari. Kasi dahil medyo may kagaya siyang color. Akala nung may-ari.
So, it notifies you on the app.
Yes po. And
Galing.
parang dun siya nabilib din sa Tesla na only this car can do
Yeah,
that.
exactly. You don't know it.
Diba? So,
Pag nagasgas or what,
yun.
you have evidence.
You have really, and napaka-clear evidence.
And you just post it on Facebook. Hindi makuha man yung tao. Tama,
Yes.
galing. So, open trunk also here.
Yes.
Pag
From the
mga-
ano na lang, sir, sa loob na lang tayo.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin na ano. What else po would you like to check po with the car? So,
What else? Wait.
questions ba?
So, this one is for voice control.
Voice
So,
command.
what's the command for Tesla?
Depends, sir, kasi
Let's say
may mga
aircon.
Apple CarPlay. Kasi po, we have our own built-in apps.
Okay.
So, like number 1 po,
Is
we
that
have...
free with the car or?
Yes,
It's
it's
free
already
na?
in the
That's
car
okay.
po. So, number 1, Waze, we have Google Maps.
Okay, Google Maps.
Okay? And then, number 2, music,
Yes. What's your music?
we have Spotify.
Okay, Spotify.
Apple Music, Apple Podcast, YouTube
YouTube
Music.
music.
Yes.
But no YouTube. Just YouTube music.
No, we have
I have.
YouTube. Yes, sir.
Ito, nagdi-Netflix
Ay, sorry
na
ma'am,
ako.
na-on ko.
Can I see? Okay lang. Is it connected?
Opo, pero sir, wala kang account. So, magsa-sign in ka.
Mag-sign in. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Galing,
So, sign in
Netflix.
ka.
Okay. So, sign in lang.
So, hindi na nakaka-board, ma'am. Mas-stuck sa loob ng car.
But
Yeah.
even if the car is driving, you could operate?
In the
Or-
front, no. But at the back, yes.
Pwede.
So, that's...
Kasi it's a safety thing.
Opo.
But it will reflect there also.
No, ma'am.
No, pag driving sa
Here
likod.
po.
Kasi, pero pag naka-park, if you're
Pwede.
waiting, pwede.
Mhm. So, let's try hearing the speakers po.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, pwede kayong magkaiba nga po ng ginagawa. Si sir nanonood ng YouTube, ikaw nagde-Netflix. However, the
Yeah.
car will ask you, ano bang gusto mong pakinggan? Front or back?
Yeah, kasi walang separate
Opo.
Okay.
But
Ang galing, no?
let's say we're going to
Is it
listen.
maluwag din? Maluwag,
Yeah.
no?
Very.
Ma'am, any song?
Song? Song?
Wait. Sige, ito.
Otis Kane.
Otis Kane, Morning Sun.
Sige sir, kayo itry niyo sir.
Otis.
Hindi ka naman bother dito ma'am sa glass roof natin. It's
No, it's
nice, no?
nice.
Kasi now it's raining, ang ganda. Pero in like summer, hindi naman.
Hindi na talaga siya sir. However, optional lang po yung sunshade. Kung gusto niyo
How does it
talaga
look
po
like,
yan.
the sunshade?
Kasi may mga mesh na pag kinapa nito sir, dito nila iniipit yung sunshade.
Okay.
So yung iba naman, dito talaga sir
Yeah.
actually.
If you remove it, you just,
Mm-mm.
ganun lang.
That's why better nga yun sir kesa magpa-tint ka eh. Kasi sayang yung beauty ng
Tama.
panoramic
Kasi pag
roof
nag-tint
mo.
na nga naman pag gabi,
Wala
hardly
na.
can see it.
Opo. So,
what is the speakers for Tesla?
9 speakers po. Brand, sir.
Yeah.
Tesla kasi dun
In-house
talaga,
siya.
So, ano yan? May built-in wifi siya?
Right now, ma'am, we're using the internet po of our building.
Kasi
but
malapit.
let's say without that.
But the car also has a built-in internet too, ma'am.
Oh.
So, wait lang pa. Post ka lang muna. So, for example, you drove this car po, tapos bumunta kayo sa parking na typically wala namang wifi. So, the car has an internet po through electronic SIM card. Okay,
Okay.
so may subscription po. So, it will cost you 799 pesos per month, but that is optional. So, what's the use of that? Diba, sir?
Yeah.
So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, sir, si Tesla, wala siyang CarPlay kasi may app siya, parang iPad.
Yeah.
And how you will use the app, you need an internet. So,
So
yan
it's like,
lang naman.
it's like internet service.
Internet
basically,
service
for
na.
the car.
But the car can still drive. The car can still do its features.
Yes.
Kulang lang nga kasi wala kang
Oo.
internet. But second text, I don't want to do the subscription
Yeah.
kasi parang ilang oras lang naman ako sa car,
Tama.
papunta at
Oo.
pauwi, di ba? Okay lang naman sir.
Or you just use your phone's
Hotspot.
Yeah,
Opo.
hotspot.
However,
5G.
sir, yung binigay kong best example kanina, yung ni-live stream niya yung car, na yung phone niya,
Yeah.
nasa mall siya, tapos nasa parking lot yung car niya.
Walang signal doon
Oh,
sa parking. normally.
yes, sir. But things like that, sir, yun, yung walang signal na yun, kung wala kang internet connectivity ng phone mo and your phone, you cannot stream it live.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
the
got it.
car can still record.
Yeah.
So you need
After.
to yes, so you
after.
need to go back and check inside the car what happened.
Okay.
Yung convenience ng ba, sir, ng internet connectivity, yun yung naging missing if hindi ka nag-avail.
So internet connectivity, that's in the showroom. You have to apply that.
No, sir.
No.
Through your Tesla app lang.
Okay.
And then
you just pay
online
online.
lang.
Okay.
By
So
means
pwedeng
of-
1 month gusto, 1
Pwedeng
month
1 month
ayaw.
hindi. And then by means of signal left. Sabi, sir, apply slightly turning force. Ganito lang po. Oops, okay na yun, sir. Changing on lanes.
Wow.
Sige po. One more try, sir. Signal right. Konting pitik lang. Oops, bitaw. Yan.
Trippy car.
So, better po,
Nakakaloka.
highway. Highway niya talaga siya.
Yeah,
i-try.
highway para consistent yung speed.
Yes. And better sana, ma'am, kung hindi rin umuulan.
Yeah, that's right.
So, syempre, camera-based pa rin siya. But again, one more time, auto steering to. So, ayan, sige sir. See what will happen. May tumatawid. Okay lang, sir.
Oh my God.
Safety feature.
Wow. Hindi ako nag-brake. Wild.
Oh, sir,
Parang yung brake niya pang Pinoy eh. Matigas. Hindi
sir,
Ang bigat ng
apply
paa.
slightly.
straight.
Okay.
Then, okay na.
Signal left, sir. Okay lang. See? Hindi niya pa rin ginawa, sir. Up, na-disengage na.
Kasi
Na
there's a
sobrahan.
car.
No.
Nasobra. Yung pag ganun po.
switch niyo.
Transmission
Ma'am, ready ah?
Yeah.
Okay, go, sir.
Diba? Hindi pa natin nabibili to.
So, man,
Now you see what I'm saying, babe?
Yeah.
But it's it's stable.
same lang, sis.
Yeah, super stable.
Kasi, alam mo na yung route.
Grabe.
Enjoy ka, ah. The much
Maganda
bro.
wala ng gas.
So, paano, ma'am? Out of the option na yung isang
No,
brand.
no, no. Ay, wala na.
Wala na.
Ah, yeah.
Ito lang talaga. The look of this better.
Full brake, sir. Ayun. Kasi ang sedan, sir, ang ibibigay niya rin sa'yo is how the design po. Parang
Yeah.
mas sporty
Mas
eh.
sleek eh. Kasi of course the Y may parang yun yun.
This looks kind of like a sports car nga eh.
na sedan.
Na sedan.
Sports sedan.
Pero basically, ma'am, it's just the same.
Yeah,
No
it's the
more,
same.
ano nga lang, sir. Wala nga lang tayong front cam.
That's fine. Actually, ito yung importante. Yung side. Can you change the view or that's the view na?
Ito na talaga siya, sir. Kasi sa model, ay, pwede ka na mag-left pa.
Oh, sorry. Pressed it too slow. Yan, medyo jumpy. Ano lang,
It's sensitive.
Hindi kasi lakas eh. Kasi this is the long range also.
Yes.
Actually, sir, sorry. Diretso ka na lang
Kapila.
pala, sir. Oo. Tapos, mag-ride tayo dyan. Okay na kayo, sir, sa one pedal, no? So,
Yeah.
hindi ko na i-demo yung
No?
sa
That's fine.
Same lang siya.
Actually, once you get, siguro in a day, kaya mo nang, di ba, kaya mo nang alamin lahat to eh.
Basta, try mo lang nang gamitin araw-araw.
Yeah, araw-araw.
Ito lang talaga
It even
yung-
shows when they signal light.
Opo. Yes. So, dahil po dito, kumbaga, merong full self-driving
Yeah.
sa US.
Sa US.
Opo. So, dadating din tayo dyan kasi ready na po yung car natin to upgrade that software. Software lang naman po siya eh.